This is the Montes Azules Jungle Reserve, 3,312 square kilometers of unspoiled tropical rainforest.
Es que justo este ecosistema es muy diverso.
This ecosystem is very biodiverse. It's home to nearly half of all bird species in Mexico and 1/3 of all mammals and butterfly stews. But the loss has been immense. More than 90% of the ecosystem we had has been lost.
For a better sense of how much of the forest has been destroyed, we plotted a flight path to survey the jungle near Mexico's border with Guatemala. Here, human development has moved right to the edge of the forest, and in many cases, settlements are clearly visible far beyond the limits of the reserve. Evidence of illegal exploitation of natural resources is also clear as day. Settlements like these are referred to as invasions by the indigenous Lacandon Maya, whose presence here dates back hundreds of years.
They're trying to steal the land, but we, the Lacandon people, do not agree with the normalization of this invasion. The government should intervene and relocate them.
The Montes Azules Reserve is the heart of the Lacandona rainforest, the largest in North America. It represents the most important regulator of the climate in this region of the world.
We're traveling along the Lacandon River, one of the most important waterways in this part of Mexico. Scientists refer to this entire region as one big water factory. 30% of all surface freshwater found in Mexico is produced by the Lacandona rainforest.
The Lacandona holds an immeasurable wealth of natural resources. For species like the scarlet macaw, survival depends on the watchful eye of conservationists. One of the biggest threats rare animals face is from the illegal wildlife trade.
In the past, there was a large population of macaws extending across several Mexican states, but due to the destruction of the ecosystem, this is now the last wild population found in the Lacandon jungle.
In 2018, the Mexican government launched an initiative aimed at reducing deforestation by providing economic incentives for people who live near the edge of the jungle. But for many here, like OLEGARIO ORTIZ, there's simply more money to be made raising cattle.
People have said that I should plant hardwood trees, but I asked them how long would I have to wait for the tree to send my children to school. I feel more secure with my cattle, and if I need money tomorrow, I just sell a cow.
Like other threatened ecosystems in Mexico and across the planet, the future of this diminishing wilderness depends on the battle between the efforts of conservationists and the forces of development. Manuel, Rapalo, Al Jazeera, Montes Azules Biosphere Reserve.